So one question from the real numbers, that is, the question is, if A is the having the least prime factor, A least prime factor is some number. Question may go. A and B are the two positive integers such that least prime factor of A is 3, least prime factor of B is 5. Least prime factor of A का least prime factor is 3 and B का least prime factor is 5. समझ में आ रहा है? Least prime factor means suppose A is the one number, okay, and it is going to have the prime factors. Prime factors में 3 is the least prime factor is asked. Okay, 3 is the least prime factor is given to you. That means if you write it as a, suppose a number is taken to you, 300 if you are taking. What is the prime factors of this one means? Factors, the numbers which will divide this number, the number which will divide this number, and that is the prime number. Prime numbers, that they are called prime factors. So normally 300 ले लिया तो इसका 2 is also divide करते हैं 300 को. So 2 will become the least prime factor because 2 is also prime number. Question, what is the question? You know, question is that A is the having the 3 as a least prime factor, B is having the 5 as a least prime factor. Then what is the least prime factor of A plus B? समझ में आ रहा है क्वेश्चन? ये किधर से है सर बोले तो ये रियल नंबर्स मानते हैं. ये का सिंपल लॉजिक है उसमें. A is having a 3 as a least prime factor means compulsory A will not be the even number. It is an odd number because even number होता है तो 2 will become the 2 will divide it. So 2 is a prime number and that will become the least prime factor. So 2 least prime factor नहीं है तो compulsory this is an odd number. ये odd number है. This one also odd number. Sum of the two odd numbers क्या है? Even number. तो even number का least prime factor क्या है? Answer is 2. So 2 odd numbers if it is given. The question will be framed to you like this. Sometimes it will be given to you 7. Sometimes it will be given to you 7. Here 11. Whatever it may be, the answer is 2. This is means one logical question है and इसको prove करना है तो भी prove भी कर सकते हैं and it little bit take a multiple of 3 means here suppose 3 दे दिया इसको 3 into 2q plus 1 2q minus 1 or 2m minus 1. 2m minus 1 is an odd number. 3 into odd number. इधर 5 multiple है. 5 is the least prime factor. So 5 into 2n minus 1 ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. And if you proceed that, this can be written as 6m minus 2. This can be written as 10n minus 5. Sorry, minus 3. And a plus b means दोनों को add कर लिए तो here 6m plus like this if you are proceeding finally 2 common आ जाएगा आपको. 6m plus 10n minus 3 minus 5. So what do you get here? 6m plus 10n minus 8i. From this 2 common ले सकते हैं. 3m plus 5n minus 4. Multiple of 2 is nothing but 2 is the factor. 2 is the factor is nothing but. समझ में आया ना? So this is the one question she asked me that previously, and the other question is that whenever areas related to area circles, suppose if you are taking that one triangle is taken into consider. Triangle is taken into consider. Let us take the ABC as a triangle. Area of the and another triangle is DEF. Another triangle is DEF. So area of the triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equals to what? Actually, you know. AB by DE whole square is equals to BC by EF whole square is equals to AC by EF whole square. सही है? Oh, सर. सही है? This is if two triangles are similar, but apart ये इससे equally you can say that they are equal to the sum of the perimeters, sum of the squares of the perimeters. Even perimeters भी ले सकते हैं and even medians भी ले prove कर सकते हैं. You can prove it. So perimeter is nothing but here sum of all the sides. So sum of all the sides square. So normally whenever you are taking here AB by DE whole square, BC by EF whole square, AC by DF whole square, any one square you can take into consideration. And this will be equal to AB plus BC plus AC by DE plus EF plus DF whole square also. ये प्रूव करना पड़ता है. प्रूव करने के लिए what we need to take here AB plus BC plus AC means actually if these two triangles are similar means AB by DE is equals to BC by EF is equals to AC by DF, which is equals to some constant level. K I am taking. Can I take K? So you can write AB is equals to K into DE. BC is equals to K into EF. AC is equals to K into DF. तो AB का प्लेस में K into DE लिख सकते हैं. K into D. BC का प्लेस में K into EF. इधर K into DF. K कॉमन ले लें. ओके समझ में आ रहा है? ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो K by 1 होल स्क्वायर आएगा. हम लोग क्या कंसिडर कर ले K. इधर क्या आएगा K by 1 whole square because all are equal to K consider them. Ratio equal to K by 1 whole square. इधर भी K by 1 whole square हो रहा है. That means these two are equal. So sum of the perimeters also. In case perimeters is given to you, directly square of the perimeter can also be taken into consideration. So like that only medians, angular bisectors, perpendicular bisectors also you can prove. They are the results already we have used the results in your exercise problems का बीच में problems में आएगा. इस problems में ये एक ही चीज आपको बीच में नहीं आएगा. This one you understood ना? This is a say try. आप लोग एक क्वेश्चन नया क्वेश्चन देख लिया तो then you should go on trying that so that only you will be able to solve. Okay? Because even number you are saying that it is represented by 2n. Odd number it is represented by 2n minus 1. What is n? मैं always बोलता हूँ ना. What is n? N represents. N is 1 here. N can be taken as 1. Natural numbers normal. If you are taking n is a natural number means n is equals to either 1, 2, 3 substitute करना है. 1 substitute करो 1 आएगा. 2 substitute करो 3 आएगा. So if you are taking 2n plus 1, n is whole numbers बोलना तब सही है. n because general form of the odd number is you are saying general form of the odd number. Why do we represent only 2n minus 1? Why do we represent 2n minus 1 only? 2n minus 1 represent कर लिया तो n is a natural number बोलना है. Because 1 से 2n plus 1 represent कर लिया तो n natural number बोल दिया. Suppose natural number बोल दिया तो 1 onward start कर. 1 start कर लिया तो 3 आएगा. 1 मिस हो रहा है ना. 1 is also odd number ना. 1 मिस नहीं होना. तब क्या बोलना है? 2n minus plus 1 बोल रहे तो n whole number बोल. So that's why one standard form is taken that natural numbers. N is a natural numbers. That's why 2n minus. Okay. Still if